Here is the puzzle. You have 9 dots. Your goal is to connect all of them using exactly 4 continuous straight lines without lifting your pen from the paper. Most people instinctively look for an obvious geometric path, but that instinct is often what makes the solution impossible to see. Take a few seconds right now. Pause the video if you need to, and lock in your first move. The final solution reveals how easily our brains invent rules we were never actually given. Psychologists call this a mental set. Our brains rely on frameworks that worked in the past, even when those frameworks fail to address the problem at hand. In the 19th century, Sam Lloyd turned this cognitive blind spot into a career, engineering puzzles designed specifically to torment the public. Lloyd's 1415 puzzle appeared to be a simple game of sliding numbered blocks into order. However, he built it with a hidden mathematical impossibility that the eye couldn't detect. The resulting craze led to reports of workers abandoning their posts and people losing sleep for days, obsessively trying to force a result. A brilliant puzzle functions like a psychological trap, locking human logic inside an invisible box. Returning to the 9 dots, if your first attempt looked like this, you stayed within the outer border and left at least 1 dot unconnected. Our brains instantly project an imaginary square around the perimeter. We obey a boundary that isn't actually there. To find the solution, you must draw a line that purposefully breaks that imaginary perimeter. By extending into the empty space, you can angle the remaining lines to connect every dot perfectly. The solution was never about calculation speed. It was about discarding an assumed constraint. This same cognitive barrier, known as functional fixedness, can turn a mechanical failure into a lethal disaster. During the Apollo 13 mission, the stakes of this cognitive trap became a matter of life and death. Rising carbon dioxide levels threatened to poison the crew. Survival depended on building a makeshift air filter using whatever was available inside the capsule. NASA engineers had to look at plastic bags, hoses, and duct tape and stop seeing them as trash. They had to reevaluate these items as functional hardware components. Success in high-stakes problem-solving comes from the ability to recognize and override your own biases in real time. Our evolutionary reliance on pattern recognition is a superpower, but it is also an intellectual blind spot. Mastering these problems requires recognizing the moment your own thinking needs to change. At SpotEd, we explore the mysteries that change how we process the world. Subscribe to join us for the next challenge. Tell us in the comments, did you solve the 9 dots, or did your own brain keep you trapped inside the box?